Today is an exciting day because I'm all packed and ready to head to Maui.
Morning, welcome aboard Airlines with service to Maui.
Once we were up in the air, I immediately logged into T-Mobile's awesome free in-flight Wi-Fi. I was able to catch up on work, text my friends, and even binge watch my favorite shows. But halfway through my show marathon, I decided to get a quick power nap. As soon as we landed, I couldn't wait to check out my hotel room. But first, a quick bed inspection. Done. A+. Maui's beaches completely blew my mind, and trust me, no video could do them justice. I wanted to disconnect, but hey, T-Mobile has amazing service for travelers, so I had to call my friends back home and let them know what they were missing. I told myself I'd take a break from social media, but who am I kidding? I had to upload at least one photo. Trying authentic poke was on the top of my bucket list, but little did I know that even chickens love ahi. Everyone I met in Maui was incredibly friendly. My absolute favorite person was Scooter. Being a native, she's seen how much the island has changed over the years, including T-Mobile's amazing network coverage.
Thank you so much, Scooter.
Exploring Maui was such a cool experience. I even picked up a new phrase while checking out the town and chatting with the locals.
No ka oi.
It's Hawaiian for the best. And that's the only way I can describe my travels, thanks to T-Mobile's VIP perks, the breathtaking views, the incredible people, and Hawaiian food.